Hey Kate. Hey Kate. So, we're just doing this guy right here. Basically, the first one, we're going to solve it with addition, and I'm going to show you why she wants you to learn Cramer's rules, because your teacher kind of sucks, the problem she just gave you. So, effectively what we need to do is get rid of one of these variables, and the addition method means we're going to add it out. So it doesn't really matter, you can choose either one. For this example, we're going to use both of these because this is going to turn into a fraction, and it's going to look scary, it's going to look hard. It's not that hard, it's just, it sucks, it's just stupid. So I'm going to use both of these so you can understand what I'm doing. So right here, I see that I have a 4y and a y. So I already have the minus and the plus, so a minus and a plus could equal 0, whereas a plus and a plus can't equal 0. So I'm going to start with these y's. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this in top equation right here by 4 so that I can cancel out the y's. So just to show you what that means is, let's see if I can do this. So it's going to be So that's going to turn into 6 times 4 is 24x. 4 times negative, whatever, minus 4y is equal to 20. So all I did was distribute this guy out. I'm going to drag this guy out here and bring him over here so you can see. All we're going to do is add these together. 24 plus 3 is 27x, minus 4 plus 4, 0, 20 plus 2, 22. So effectively we have 27x equals 22. We're going to divide by 27, divide by 27. X is equal to 22/27. Yuck. That's an ugly fraction. It can't be reduced. I don't like it. Normally what we would do is take this and we would plug it back in for x right over here. But that's kind of a pain, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to now solve what we're going to do now is just try to reduce the x's and solve for y. So to do that, I know that I have a 6 and a 3, so I can multiply this entire equation by -2 to give me what I need. So I'm just going to write it down here. So minus 2 times 3x plus 4y equals 2. So I have minus 6x minus 8y is equal to minus 4. I'm just going to bring the other equation down now. I had 6x minus y equals 5. All I did was bring this guy right here. So these are my two equations that I'm working with now. So I'm just going to rewrite them over here just so you can see a little more. 6x minus 8y equals -4. 6x minus y equals 5. Add these up. Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9y. Minus 4 plus that is equal to 1. Divide y is equal to minus 1/9. Another yucky fraction. So the actual solution to this equation is 22/27 minus 1/9. Very, very yucky. So what she wanted you to do was use matrices, where you could have come into here, gone into a matrix like Cramer did. You have a 3×2 matrix. Sorry. You have a 2×3 matrix. And then you would have literally just taken the equation from here and just wrote out a matrix of 6 minus 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. and then solved it using matrices of 6, -1, 5, 3, 4, 2, you would have done the RREF function, which I think is what she's talking about in your Excel, of the matrix. And the answer you got would have been x is 22/27, y is -1/9.